decided to make a video on putting a hour meter on the bike, and I was going to do it, but then I said, you know what, I'm going to make a video about it. And yeah, so this hour meter, it does counts the hours when the motor's running, and it gives you RPM. So while you're riding the bike, the RPM will come up on the screen, which is always good when you're going top end and you don't want to hold it right to the bar for too long. At least you know, okay, my max is this much RPM, you back it off a little bit, and you can cruise pretty good at a certain RPM. And it's good for dialing your carb with the idling screw, you know, so yeah, here, I'll show you it. So I bought this at Royal Distributor, and I have it on my other 50, so I just got an 88 board kit put on my wife's bike. So I decided to put one of these on her bike also, so I can see how many hours are on this new build. Bought this for $34.99 at Royal Distributor. I like having it just for the RPM more than anything. So very easy to install. Let's get to it. So the first thing we're going to do is there's a protector over top of the wire. Let's cut this off because we have to wrap the other wire around this spark plug wire. So I'm doing like this. So guys, I mounted on my bike right here. I like it because it's in your vision. The RPM gauge is right there. It's great. I like using the RPM gauge when you're like ripping like whatever top gear you're in and you're holding it for a while. At least you know whatever the max is. Say max is 12,000, but you don't want to be revving it 12,000 all the time. So then you can keep an eye on it. Keep it at like 10.5. At least you're not full throttle, but the RPMs are a little bit lower, which you're not full throttle. So yeah, let's get to it. So that's how I like it. Right in your vision, no problem. Get to see everything perfect. Next step is run the wire. Run your wire, tuck it all nice. This wire right here. Tuck it all nice along the frame and then all the way to your spark plug. So guys, you don't really have to drill a hole. I did anyways, because I like to tuck it all nice. Just going to run the wire through the hole. So next I'm just going to run the wire along this brake cable, just so it's not flopping around. Put some electrical tape. Okay, next we're going to start wrapping the wire around the spark plug. Just wrap it really tight like a coil, like a spring. So that's it. Nicely tight wrapped around it, and that's it. When the current runs through here, it sends the signal up there, It's very simple install. It's crazy how easy it is. But I'm gonna tape it up now, just so it never can come apart. And that's it. So yeah, that's all you got to do. Very simple, very easy. And yeah, I'll show you how it works. I'll kick the bike over and you'll see the RPM. So I already let it run just to warm up the engine a little bit, but yeah, see, it's 0.1. Just letting it run just for a little, like, I don't know, 10 minutes. Yeah, so I'm gonna fire up the bike. So that's at idle. I'll give it some rev. I'll rev it up now. Bad. Totally worth the money. 35 bucks. It's pretty dope. Just to have, even if it's not a fresh motor, just to have the RPM. I like that. So guys, another thing I wanted to show you. My wife asked for another upgrade on those spoke covers. Right? She wanted red spoke covers. So yeah, so I got them. They're easy to install. They come long. You cut them down to the size. You almost get like two spokes with one of these. And that's the pack right here. Comes lots in the pack. And these, yeah, they were $21.99. It's not bad. There's quite a bit in here. So, but anyways, guys, I hope that helped you out. How it's very easy to install if you are looking to install one of these hour meters. But I like to have them on my bike. I just love having the RPM part. And that's it. Thanks for watching my video. Your boy Cookster's out.